Welcome back, guys. Today I am going to show you how you can simply fix Xbox if you are not able to sign in to Xbox Live. To do that, simply open your Windows and then in the search option, search for apps. Click on Apps and Features and here scroll down until you find Xbox Live. Click on it and then click on the Advanced Options under Xbox Live. From here, repair the app by resetting it. Do the same process with the Xbox console and the game you are using, through which you are not able to log into your Xbox. If it still doesn't work, make sure to update your Microsoft Edge. Otherwise, uninstall the Xbox app permanently and then reinstall it again.